Chemical and petrochemical companies in India, whether domestic or foreign, are required to comply with ChemIndia requirements. Let's explore the top 5 most common questions about this requirement. First, what is ChemIndia? ChemIndia is an ambitious project by the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals under the Indian Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. It is a centralized platform that collects and analyzes data from the chemicals and petrochemicals industry to support policymaking and industry insights. Second, why is this notification important? The notification requires chemical and petrochemical manufacturing units to submit monthly data on production, capacity, imports, exports, and sales. This data is used for creating the monthly index of industrial production, shaping industry policies, and publishing the chemical and petrochemical statistics at a glance. Third, do all chemical manufacturers need to register? Yes, every chemical and petrochemical manufacturer in India, regardless of their size or whether their chemicals are hazardous, must register on the ChemIndia portal and submit the required data. This includes MSMEs and foreign manufacturers with Indian factories. Fourth, what are the company obligations under this mandate? Companies must provide accurate and timely data, keep records available for verification, respond to official inquiries, and allow inspections of business records. Fifth, what happens if a company doesn't comply? Failure to comply may result in warnings or regulatory notices, legal consequences under the Collection of Statistics Act 2008, and negative impacts on company reputation and operations.